Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure the system prerequisites are set. Go straight to Settings and update the OS if needed. Once done, enable Background App Refresh globally and choose Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular depending on your plan. Make sure Wi-Fi and mobile data are active and that location services aren't blocking network access. You do this now so individual apps can request refresh. Without these basics enabled, per-app changes won't work. Next, you'll fine-tune app permissions. Open the apps list in Settings and toggle Background App Refresh per app, turn off data-hungry apps, and leave critical ones on. Once set, inspect each app's network and permission panels to allow background activity and cellular use where needed. If you use low-power mode, disable it temporarily because it suspends refresh. Similarly, watch for app-level optimizers or battery savers that can override your choices. These middle steps shape real behavior. Finally, verify and monitor. Restart your device to apply settings, then check battery and data usage over the next 24 to 48 hours to confirm background tasks run as expected. If things look off, make sure low-power mode is off and any system-level app limits are cleared. A key troubleshooting move: reset network settings or reinstall an app that still won't refresh. If problems persist, toggle global background, app refresh off and back on to force a system refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.